Good morning, friends. Welcome back. Oh my gosh, thank you for trying to inform me about my mic. I know. This cord has got to go. I agree, and I'll get some more. So thank you very much, and I'm just going to keep doing it until I get it right, because that's how we do around here. Yeah, all right? So, what were we looking for? If you remember from the update yesterday, was looking for a bottom of this candle here and a target of this candle's high. Yeah, and that's what happened. Bottom, top, bang, target acquired. Awesome. So bragging rights aside, that was pretty sweet. We also had this candlestick's wick right here annotated. This is where I was looking for support and resistance, and found support on the lower quadrant. Beautiful. Mwah. Found the model. Now this is it. When you look at this daily candle, you're like, oh yeah, look at that awesome candle, you could have just bought blah blah blah. It was actually quite rough. It took me for a little ride once it started cruising below here. I momentarily considered it could run into here, and then finally for the lunchtime macro gave up the ghost, and then for the final little grand finale of the day, boom, right into everybody's stop. So I did a little showcase at the end of the day. My students are privy to the trade I took. It was, I took it early, and then I took a partial, and it came back and just kind of sat it out till the end of the day. The delivery was ruthless. Like, it was not fun. A lot of up and down, a lot of give and take, and we kind of expect that, right? It's still that time of the year where we're waiting for the information so we can move forward into the fireworks. And although I'd like to be down here right now, cruising back up from the discount market down here, this is just where we're at. So that being said, where am I looking for a bottom tomorrow, and where would I like to see a top? So this blue line here is the 30% retracement of this range, and I just like it. And it also is the consequent encroachment of this wick here and this wick here. Now they're a couple bucks off, but good enough. And obviously, like, I'm just looking at this weird looking fair value gap here. I mean, whatever. It's in concert with all these price points, but this is where I'd like to see a bottom tomorrow. Now, I'm not under the impression that we're going to run out the all-time high tomorrow. They could want to save it. They could want to save it. And although this looked quite fancy, it was just in my favor. Okay, like I've mentioned this yesterday. Look, if price action does what I expect it to do, it's simply in my favor. It's only part skill. Because right now, we could have went down here. We could be in the discount of this wick right now. We just happen to be up here. That's all. And this is the reason why you'll see my mentor sit these times out, is because he knows that it can be very unfavorable, and the things that he wants to see not materialize. So, amongst other reasons, but that's what it is to get back in the groove for the final quarter of this calendar year. So that's what we're doing here. And look at that, we're already trading down. So we do have a little vacuum block here, which is pretty sweet. And this is where I'd like to see a top tomorrow. And it looks like we got 3 retarded soldiers here. So 1, 2, and then the final one, bam. I'm just looking at one of these highs here, okay? But not that one quite yet. I have a sneaking suspicion it's gonna fall shy of that liquidity pool or all-time high, trade down just a little bit more, and then like trade down, I don't know, to about where it is now, and then start ripping up. So we still have that major price point above the market for September, and that's the final. So this is this target here the next couple of days. This is my end of week target here, and then what I want to see September do if it wants to get squirrely. So yeah, Fed folders tomorrow, mind them. So the next few days are going to be quite wild. Expect some volatility and don't overdo it. God bless you guys. Thank you all for joining, and we will see you very soon. Peace.